So, hi guys, hello, and we've got Lambo in the house. It's Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, and today we're gonna replace the front bushings. It's front arm at the bottom. They are all the same, the bushings, and it's from VPS. It's Vargaland Performance Solutions. It's aftermarket ones, because from Lambo we just need to order it and wait for a very long time, or just buy the whole control arm, so we don't do that. We don't want to do that, and so we're gonna just change these aftermarket ones because the car just haven't passed MOT, so we're gonna just change them, and let's go to do that stuff. And I think it's gonna be easy job. So there is one 18 mil nut on the ball joint. It went easy. So I punctured the joint rubber, but I've got a new one. I'm just gonna replace the rubber because for me it's no way to push it down, because there's no such kind of tool. It's easy to fit in there, so I'm just gonna replace the rubber seal and not gonna mess around and do a lot of trying to get that out, because it's for me I think it's impossible. It's much easier just use this tool to take it out and just replace the rubber. And we've got now 4 bolts, 4 nuts for the for control arm. We're gonna go to replace the bushings. We remove the spacers for wheel alignment. Just have in mind to put them back in the right order. But it's better to put it back as you're gonna go out of wheel alignment. After replacing those bushes, you should do a wheel alignment anyways, but it's gonna be much better if you keep it as it was. It's gonna be much easier to finish up. Otherwise, it's gonna be much more job with the wheel alignment. So we've got one control arm. We're gonna replace the bushings. Let's go. So first thing we're gonna do is press this OEM one out, and afterwards we've got these aftermarket ones that we're gonna push them in, and it's gonna be nice. So we're gonna need to do some adjustments because it's not a regular car, so to push this joint out, we're gonna use 21mm socket. Just put it like this. And then we got joint out. Got new one. Perfetto. Just gonna slide it in. I need to put it in center because we want to slide it really smooth. That's it. Nice. New joint. So we're gonna do everything else with the other one, the same. So, and then we're gonna go put back everything together. So they put everything back together. We've got new seal for the joint. So we're gonna put all back in backwards. So if you like this video, Galardo. So we're gonna do some more job on this car, I think, because there's at the back there's oil leak, small oil leak, and there's no aircon because the aircon compressor is gone, but I haven't checked it yet, so it might be not air compressor, but we're gonna check it out on next video. So see you later on, and subscribe and click like if you like this video. If you don't click like. That's your choice. See you guys.